Yep, today I'm replacing my windshield wipers. Yeah, the ones on them are a little bit worn out. Got these things pretty cheap. They look pretty cool too. Got that green thing right here. It's not bad at all. It's not green, never mind. It's just a plastic. Yep. Pretty cool, easy on and off. Yeah, pretty simple. It's gotta push it up. A little tab in the bag, you pull it up and it comes right off. Rain-X. Okay. These are pretty cool. Boom. There you go. Sits way better than this one. Yeah, it shouldn't take more than a couple minutes. This one's a weird one. Sail blade. Only done. Yep, quick video. How to replace your windshield wiper blades. A Land Rover, Range Rover, whatever. They're all the same. All right, have a good one.